All right, so let's use AI and create a really cool cinematic video using only AI and an AI voice. This is pretty dang cool. Been messing around with this with a bunch of different tools. Now there is Cdance 2.5 is available, I believe, in China right now. I don't know any tools that you'd be able to get that, or even over here in Higgsfield, and I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but you can go over here into video and you'll see the top model. So the top model is Cdance 2.0. Now I do have access to this with another tool called Revven, but you can see all the different ones right over here. This is probably the best one that you're going to get for the time being. I'm sure that once they get API access and it's allowed and available, then you'll be able to get Cdance 2.5, which has, I believe, has been out since like the end of June, but it's not available right now currently, like to the US. I'm going to be using some different tools, and I wanted to show you where we're at right now, the workflow that I have. And let's go and take a look at what I have so far. So I'm going to go to the very beginning of this AI video right here. You can see that we have the footage. We also have the voiceover. We have sound and everything. So we're going to go ahead and watch that real quick.
43 days of silence. Then out of nowhere, a voice on the radio. Someone was still out there. The signal repeated every hour, same coordinates, same voice, so I walked. On the third day I saw it, the tower, still standing, still broadcasting.
Pretty dang cool. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. So far, 100% AI. Obviously, if you're going to create a YouTube channel like this, I mean, you could use this to run ads, create videos for yourself just to run ads and stuff like that. That'd be a really good use case for this. Like, just apply what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you right now, to your business. You could use that for any kind of landing page or advertisement. But then certainly if you're creating YouTube channels, just know that you need to tick that box that says you're using AI. And I recommend you just completely trying to be as creative as you possibly can, and just always tick that box that says that you are completely using AI content. It'll reduce the chances of, getting your account flagged and things like that. So what are we doing over here, right? We've got all these elements over here. We've got the and the script. You need to be able to put this all together. How did I get the consistent character, right? So it's this guy, and then we're over here. It's the same guy. You wouldn't be able to tell that it's actually just completely unique prompts each time. And then we'd come over here and you can see it's the same guy right there. So I'm going to show you that right now. Let's jump in. So we come back over here. Now, obviously you can use Higgsfield. I'm not an affiliate. Plans start at $19. They go up to $47, then $99, and then you can, even if you're a power heavy user, you can pay up to $270 per month, get 9,000 credits like that. And like I said, you have all the image creators over here, all the video creators right over here, and the audio. So if you're going to be using AI to create stuff, this is probably going to be the tool that you're going to probably gravitate to. But I'm going to be using another tool called Revven, where I do get 10 videos per month, 10 powerful Cdance videos. I get all the versions right over here. And then I'm going to try this in VO3 in Google, because I have a pro Google subscription. I can use Google AI Studio and see if we can create those in there. And maybe I'd be able to get a lot more, I'd be able to get a lot more videos using my subscription there. But I've already went and looked to see if like we have Cdance and Perplexity and all that. We don't, right? So you've got to pay for it, and you can't get some of these models directly to platforms. You have to use like a third-party platform that has API into these tools. Okay. So what I'm going to do is show you how did I get this prompt. Well, I went over here and I put this prompt in right over here. It says, I want to create a 60-second consistent character cinematic video using Cdance, which can create 10 to 15 second clips. Right now, from my research, Cdance 2.5, which again is not available right now, will allow up to like 30-second clips at a time, right? So that's going to push the boundaries to I'm doing 12-second clips right now. So that's going to be able to get you, 2.5 times more footage in one video and one prompt. So it's going to increase efficiency. It's going to minimize on the amount of prompts that you have to do in order to make this work. But we can create some pretty powerful stuff right now with the current version of Cdance 2.0. And I'm using Cdance 2.0 mini, because in my research, mini is better than fast. It's cheaper and it's actually higher quality. So that's the one that we're using. So we come back over here and I just say, hey, I want to use 10 to 15 second clips. Can you create 5 AI prompts? So I want to make a 60-second video, right? So I do the math kind of. And I want to have consistent characters in each prompt, but will be used separately. Also create a simple storyline and script for the video. Each prompt should also have a script, and the visual AI video creation should have its own prompt. So Claude understood exactly what I was saying right there, right? So we want it to have a consistent something right here, that the locked character is the alias is a rugged man in his late 30s, short dark brown hair and a gray with temples, thick stubble beard. So I just said to create a story. I didn't even have an idea for a story. It created this for me, right? So this is the concept right over here. A lone wanderer in a post-apocalyptic desert follows a mysterious radio signal for days, finally reaching an abandoned radio tower only to discover the signal was a recording left by someone waiting for him. Simple, emotional, cinematic, and it works for 5 minutes, for 5 beats. Okay, so this is the part that right here that is going to be a part of every single prompt right here. See, it starts off with the rugged man and his blah, blah, blah. Every single prompt has that exact right here. And right here, the Elias, I mean, I'm looking that up in videography and video editing. It's a Elias adaptive music system. So I don't know what that is. I don't know if this is the guy's name or if that's just the term that you actually use in cinematography to identify that this needs to be in every prompt. Not really sure what that is, but certainly it's using this text, this first part in every single prompt along the way, right? So what we do, now I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what we do. So we are on, if I come over here into CapCut, right? So we are on 1, 2, 3. We've done 3 clips. We have 2 more to go. Let's do those together so I can show you my workflow. So we come over here, and so we are on clip 1, 2, 3. So we are on clip 4 is right here. So you'd grab this entire prompt right here. You'd copy it. You'd go into Revven, but go into Higgsfield or go into whatever platform you're using, right? I'll leave a link below. You can get Revven as well. It comes with a massive amount of stuff. You get unlimited access to chat features with all the large language models. You also get access to pretty much unlimited images with all the models as well. Videos with, it's pretty obvious why they have limitations on that. They can't let people have unlimited access to this. You guys can clearly see how expensive this stuff is. But I'm doing this to show you guys what's possible with AI. And so Revven comes with all kinds of training. I mean, it's actually called AI for Business, and it's a full that will teach you how to use AI for your business. It gives you access to this software suite right here. It gives you a Go High Level account, has all kinds of good stuff, right? So I've got links below. They also have an upcoming summit that you can go and sign up for free. It's a 3-day event coming up in a couple of weeks as well. So we go to Dance, come over here, and you can actually select right here, but I'm at exactly 12 seconds because our footage, I just came up with 12 seconds would be probably the best. This is exactly, so it tells us exactly how much. So every clip is 12 seconds long. You can see every clip is 12 seconds long. So that's why I'm selecting 12 seconds. Now you can animate an image, but we're on text, right? So Dance 2.0 mini, we can do up to 15 seconds. We're choosing 12 seconds. We're on text, and then we're going to paste that prompt in right here. And then we're going to go to generate video. Okay. So while that is generating, okay, so video is generating, it's going to go and start. Now this will take 3+ minutes to create just a 12-second clip because you can see how high quality it actually is. There's a lot going on, obviously. So what we do is we come back over here and we're going to take this script, right? So inside no one, just a recorder playing a loop and a note with my name on it, right? So I'm going to go like this, and we're going to copy this sentence right over here. And I'm going to go ahead, and you can obviously use 11 Labs, or if you're in Higgsfield, obviously go into audio and you're going to use their stuff right over here. But I've found and discovered one that is even cheaper than 11 Labs, that uses 11 Labs, but they somehow are getting it for even cheaper. So I'm using this one, Gen AI Pro. I topped my account with $10. And we're going to go in here to just create voice. I found one right over here that I'm using. You're just going to go, and it's very 11 Labs-ish. The interface and layout and everything is almost exactly identical to 11 Labs. So I'm going to go paste that sentence in right here and create, and it's going to take 83 credits, confirm. Now I got 10,000 credits that I got to use for this. So we're going to go ahead and use this right now. What I like about this probably differently, it doesn't seem like it's much more cost effective than 11 Labs, but you can pay for just what you need. So many times I've paid for 11 Labs and you got to get on a subscription and then I end up not using it and you're just paying for voiceovers that you just don't need, right? So they lock you into a monthly subscription. Gen AI Pro is not subscription based. You just top off your account when it runs low. So that's pretty cool. So it just created that right there. We will go and download this, right? So now we have our new one right there. And then what we'll do is we'll come back and check on our video right here. When that's done, I will come right back. Okay, so it is done. Let's take a look at what we've got right here. Let's take a look at the clip that Revven and Seedance 2.0 just created. He still has the cuts on his face, the exact look as clip number one, which is incredible. And remember, these are prompts that are completely separately being put into the AI. So it's not like Higgsfield has ability to choose a character and then it will force that character to be present in all of your clips, which is really awesome. But this just shows how advanced this is. And if your prompting is right, you can actually do it with separate clips each time. So notice that it's also adding in the sound effects, the background, all that kind of stuff. And I think you can see how, if you can just imagine in the next 12 to 24 months where, I mean, if this is where AI is at right now, midway through 2026, there is going to definitely be a point where AI videos are going to be a real thing. I know it's still hard to kind of like grasp that. And it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and download this video, right? So push the download button. Let me talk real quick about this real quick though, but it doesn't really matter what your opinion really is about this, whether you're for AI movies or not. They're just gonna be here because the visuals and everything are getting so lifelike and realistic that eventually it is gonna be hard to actually tell what is actually human and not, because this is just mind-blowing when you can just think about where AI is heading in the next 24 months, which is just incredible. So we're gonna go through and now I'm gonna show you how we put this together, right? So we'll go to CapCut, and then on my right monitor, I will pull up my downloads folder. And then I will go and I will add the new video, right? So the new video footage, which is right here. And I will drag and drop that in here, right? And then I'll move that over here. And then I'll go and grab that new voiceover. I got to find it real quick.
On the third day, I saw it. The tower, still standing, still broadcasting.
Okay, cool. So I found that voiceover right there. I'm going to drag that into here. I'm going to grab that voiceover and I'm going to bring that over here. And then I will grab the timeline and I'll just see kind of like where I'm at, like right here. So I think I'd probably want to move it to about like right here. So I'm going to move this over to here. Now, obviously, we're just messing around with AI. You would maybe want to, if you want it to have full narration most of the time, you might want to go back and say, hey, there's a 12-second clip here. Can you write a script or make sure that the text back in our Claude chat right over here, we could come back in. And we could actually say for the script voiceovers, can you actually make these longer, like 2 sentences? It'll fill in the gaps and it'll be even a lot better. But this still works right here, right? So now we have that one right there. And what I do is I like to go over into the transitions and go to classic and just grab like the black fade right here and put that in right there. So now we're literally building a cinematic video. We have one more to go. So let's come back over here. And let's go grab clip number 5 to be complete. So we'll go finish the movie, the little 60-second movie we're making. We'll come back into Revven, Seedance 2.0, 12 seconds, put that one in right here, boom, and we will go and push generate. Okay, and so then now what do we do next, right? We come back over here, we grab this sentence right here. If you're hearing this, I never stopped looking for you. I wasn't following a signal and I was being called home. So we're gonna go grab this real quick. We're going to copy that. We're going to go into Gen AI Pro. Again, use Higgsfield, use 11 Labs, use whatever you want. I'm going to go back into create voice, paste that little sentence in, push create voice, confirm. And now it's going to go and create that voice right over here while we have the rest of the last video clip being created for us. So that's created. We'll go download this real quick. And then we can go and prep our CapCut real quick with that last voiceover. And we'll just move that over like that. And then we will wait patiently for our last Revven video to be created right over here. Go check on its process. We'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got. So I did get an error or for a violation of some sort. I went back and tried to look at the prompt. I don't see anything in here that could be something that's violating any kind of inappropriate content. Aerial crane shot as he begins walking. Like I don't know what happened, but something right here is causing it. And I tried it twice and it basically just said that like there's a content violation, can't use it. So what I did was I went over to Google AI Studio, wanted to use that, but we can't use VO 3.1 unless we upgrade and blah, blah, blah. But it does say that we could try it in Flow. So then I went over here and we're using, I think, VO 3.1 fast in Flow. So we are now in labs.google in Flow, and I put in the prompt, and let's take a look at the finished clip here. Again, it's got the nice background sound effects, the music, all kinds of good stuff right here. Obviously, it's the apocalypse right there. And we will now go and download this. So now let's go and put this whole thing together and take a final look at what we've got. Okay, so we've got our clip, and this one was a 10-second clip, was the max. So we weren't able to go to the 12 seconds, but we're going to go like this. Maybe move this to about right there like that. And then what we will do is go into last thing is transitions, classic, and grab something else, maybe a different transition right there. And then let's go and take a final look at our final 60-second, fully AI created with background sound effects, background music, and voiceover. Let's take a look.
43 days of silence. Then out of nowhere, a voice on the radio. Someone was still out there. The signal repeated every hour, same coordinates, same voice, so I walked. On the third day I saw it, the tower, still standing, still broadcasting. Inside, no one, just a recorder, playing on a loop, and a note with my name on it. If you're hearing this, I never stopped looking for you. I wasn't following a signal. I was being called home.
That's pretty awesome, guys. What do you guys think? Putting multiple tools together to create this really cool. We used Claude, we used Revven, we used Gen AI Pro. Again, you can do a lot of these just getting Higgsfield. We used Google AI Studio and Google Flow to put this whole thing together. That's a little crash course. And I just learned this within an hour how to do this. I've never even created a cinematic video like this. Now you can kind of see if this is just what a beginner with an hour of experience can do. Now you can see why there are some incredible AI videos that are being put out on YouTube and YouTube channels that are blowing up because they're able to take these and 10x them, make them even better and better. So, and then what you could do is figure this out, put together a whole thing, and then put the voiceover on top of that later on. There's a lot of things that you could do, but this was the workflow that I came up with. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll see you next time.
Artificial intelligence is here to stay, and your company's growth now depends on your next move. Introducing the AI for Business Summit, a free live online workshop. You'll get a clear step-by-step blueprint to maximize AI across your entire business: marketing, sales, lead generation, and social branding. Learn to get more done in less time, fill your funnel, turn low-cost assistants into powerhouse team members, and become the #1 authority in your market. Taught by 4-time Inc. 5000 founders. Get your free seat today by clicking the first link in the description.